Welcome to the tutorial on how to add a contact to your address book.
First, let's begin by going to the main dialer. Once there, click on the Members option. Next, look for and click on the Address Book option. Now, find and click the Add Contact button.
You will need to select the contact type based on your requirement. Choose either local or organization. Next, it's time to enter the contact details.
Please enter the first name, last name, and company name.
Now, add the phone number.
Then, enter the email address. After that, you can fill in optional fields.
These include job title, department, suffix, and notes if needed. Once all details are entered, click the Save button.
That's it.
You have successfully saved the contact in your address book.